Hi, welcome to the channel. Thank you. Please like, subscribe before we go any further. Big thank you to a good friend of mine, subscriber, and all his family, Jeff and family, for sending this gift over, for helping them out at the weekend at a party. They bought all my PA bits and pieces, karaoke machine, and all the rest of it. And unfortunately, in the video I did recently, I didn't get a chance to film the karaoke machine because I had a bit too much to drink. But this is a Glenlivet. There's a little note there, thank you card. So thank you family. Glenlivet, but this is different. It's single malt Scotch whisky. It's a Caribbean Reserve. It's a rum barrel selection, selectively finished in barrels that held Caribbean rum. So basically, this has been finished off in a barrel that's had Caribbean rum in it. So it's a little bit different. So I'm quite looking forward to this. Caribbean Reserve is a sweet tropical twist to the Glenlivet. To create this lively whisky, our makers finished a portion of the whisky in barrels which previously held Caribbean rum. The result is a smooth, sweet whisky, perfect to enjoy with a refreshing mixer or neat, just the way you like it. The nose, it says here, sweet notes of pear and red apple meet a fabulous tropical twist of ripe banana in syrup, apparently. Palate, rich caramel toffee notes and followed by mandarin orange miller. Finish, citrusy and delicate. 40% proof as always. It's a single malt. Not opened it yet, so let's have a little taste. I'll add this to the whiskey collections on the shelf behind me. Lovely looking. Bottle as usual. Just a little drop of that. Tiny drop of this, because I'm busy. Get the old label off. Oh, there we go. Lovely. Whoop, pop. I'm only having a tiny drop of this tonight on a school night. Never stopped me before, I know, but normally put a drop of water with that, but I'm not going to tonight because I haven't got any down here. So another one for the top shelf. Little spot there waiting for it. Caribbean. Oh, that is. That's another nice one. Have I got Glenlivet already? Macallan? Nope, I haven't. That's nice then. I've got Macallan 12, Tamavulin, Glenfiddich 15, Jura 10, Ardbeg 10. Oh, I got the green spot. Did I buy that myself? Yeah, I thought I bought that. It's the Irish one. I bought that for St Patrick's Day. And I've also got on the shelf there the Dubliner, which a subscriber sent me, which is a real nice gift. It's another Irish one, obviously. So that's lovely. Oh, that's a nice little drop, that. That is nice. That is recommended. Lovely. Let's go up there. That is seriously a nice little drop. Cheers, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more. See you again later on. Bye bye. So the collection so far: Macallan 12-year-old, Tamavulin, Glenfiddich 15, Jura 10, Ardbeg 10, Glenlivet with a Caribbean Reserve, and Green Spot, and the Dubliner. And of course I've got the drop of the old bells. Lovely.